In this video, we will create the .env file to store our Jira credentials. The .env file keeps sensitive information like API tokens separate from our code. This is a security best practice. We never want to hard code passwords or tokens in our scripts. Let's create a new file by right-clicking on Explorer panel by clicking here New File, or you can press Ctrl N, that creates a new file. Name the file .env, that's a dot followed by env. This is a special file name that the python.env library that we have installed looks for automatically. Notice the file starts with a dot. This makes it a hidden file on Mac and Linux, which adds a layer of privacy. I'm naming it by pressing Ctrl. It gives you option to give a name, so I'm giving it .env and then press enter or click on save here. There it works. Now the file name has become .env. First add your Jira URL. Type Jira underscore URL equal to followed by your Atlassian site URL. This is the base URL of your Jira instance, something like https:// your Jira instance.atlassian.net. Replace this with your actual Jira URL. On the next line, type Jira underscore email equal to email@example.com or your email at example.com. In the next line, Jira underscore API underscore token equal to your API token that we have created before. If you have saved it in a file the way I have done, you can copy paste from there and keep it here. Finally, this is your environment file should look like. Once I close this video, I'll replace these example files, example paths to my actual data so that my data will not be relieved publicly. So my API token is not revealed publicly. Now I am pressing Ctrl S. So this data has been set. Now let's create one more file called .gitignore gitignore, and this is very important, and this file will be used to make sure our .env file is not going to be get uploaded to a remote repository of the Git, maybe sometimes GitHub, so that our file which contains sensitive information like API token will not be revealed to the public. So here in the first line, we'll add the file name .env and then press Ctrl S to save. This tells Git to ignore our .env file, keeping our API token private. You should now see two files in our project with credentials and gitignore to keep them private. Remember, never share your .env file or commit it to a public repository. This .gitignore file protects you, but always double check before pushing the code to remote repository like GitHub. Our environment file is ready with all the Jira credentials we need. you have to replace with your actual values. Remember it. In the next video, we will install the Python packages required for our scripts. See you there.